SCF is an investment firm. We do things in a private equity model, but we have investors who provide capital to us. We use that capital to invest in and then build service and equipment companies.
It starts with picking the right investment themes that are going to impact the industry. And then probably the single most important piece is picking the right entrepreneurs as partners.
They understand that people make the business.
We're pretty picky on who we partner with. We really focus on partners that know how to make money and are leaders in their field.
Well, we could recognize it with SCF that they're going to let us run our business the way we ran our business. And in the end, we're going to tell them how we're running it, and they're going to understand it.
If you don't understand the entrepreneur, I don't think you understand this industry.
The entrepreneurs are the ethos of America. They want to create jobs, they want to leave behind something better. So you're not going to find folks that are more dedicated to the well-being of their employees than these entrepreneurs.
We've all worked in the type of companies that these entrepreneurs are running. So we know it isn't as easy as what they teach you at Harvard Business School or what your spreadsheet or model takes.
A lot of things work on paper. In my head, I carry a different model that comes from the SCF experience, and that is there's going to be good times and there's going to be bad times, and you put together an organization that can thrive in the good times and maximize returns in the good times, not just survive the bad times, but take advantage of opportunities, and then you don't really worry about where you are in that continuum.
The SCF has been, quick enough and flexible enough to be able to adapt rapidly to those changes and position themselves quite well to really, seize the opportunity here.
SCF are great partners at the wellhead and in the boardroom. So if you think about that, that tells you that it's just not a capital provider. It's a direction provider, it's a strategic thinking provider.
Being an investor is different than being energy people. We're specialists. We live in Houston, we live in Aberdeen, we live in Calgary. We are energy people.
And we want to build companies and people that are going to be there for a long time and are going to be leaders.
I've got the key people that are with me since we started the business. I want those key people to be taken over the business. I want those key people to be invested in the business.
And what we were looking for if we sold was somebody that would take care of the employees like we take care of them, or allow us to take care of them like we take care of them. And SCF has done that.
They basically let us run the company the way we wanted to run it, just keep on running it the way we are. And they supplied the capital.
I think we do more than put money to work. I think we build cultures and character development and people working with some unbelievable partners and building companies that weren't there when we start, and then bequeathing them on to their next stage of life and watching them carry on and be successful.
So it's first looking at the sector, trying to identify what the universe of companies is and really how attractive it is from a market standpoint, and then really tunneling into making sure we find the best SCF fit in terms of our partner.
For the last 25 years, we've bought a $37 million company on average every 3 weeks. Those don't make the front page of the Wall Street Journal, but it builds. And some of the larger companies in the industry today are the outgrowth of these companies. National Oil of Arco, Oil States, Superior Energy, which partners were Complete, Forum, Energy Technologies. I mean, these are really good companies.
If you look at the last 15 years, there's been 8 IPOs, oilfield services IPOs on the New York Stock Exchange, over $1 billion in size. And SCF has been involved in half of them, 4 of those. And that just shows you the quality of companies that they're actually building across time.
The great thing about growing a business is having an impact on individuals and families and creating career opportunities, and that's the fun stuff.
We're company builders. I mean, we've now done this in the US, we've done it in Canada, we've had investments in Scotland, We're now involved in 3 companies in Australia and New Zealand, and there are a lot of commonalities. Passion for the business, the ability to be nimble and focus on execution.
SCF is an ideal partner because your employees will be taken care of, the business will grow, they have a continuous track of success, and it's very, very likely that you make much more money later. And it's documented, proven.
But I think what you want from a capital partner is you want somebody that has a proven track record. Because if you take chips off the table and you continue holding equity in the company, there's going to be another liquidity event at some time. And you want somebody who's got a proven track record that can get you to that point.
99% of the time, they're backing the right people. And they've got the right relationships, and they're known for that. And so then it's a self-fulfilling cycle where the good teams want to come work with Ellie and his team.
And for those guys to come in and back you, I think is a testament to your idea.
They didn't come in and say, we know how to do it better than you. They said, you're the best at what you're doing. We want to help you execute in the field, and we're going to show you how to do it in the back office.
There's a lot of help that comes that way through SCF because they've got the intelligence all over the oil field. They've been where you're going to go.